Haka khat atrek unailar arja apulai kaseng san partai kabla rembat kabapau bah haka jela kaseng United Democratic Party kabadon khat arngut ki MLA kelayu ban pelong ya ka General Council habompai road laim kra haka office trai kam jongka hi haka banjit ya kinogit kam jongka samoy trai kam jong usnam arja apulai hadu arja apnrio bat haka ni kasngi bun kino lambat kinogit kam jongka parti kilawan ban shimenta haka ni ka General Council bat la pensiong konsisu ya ke jelang da ke jingruai na ikong bahun marwen berkunjuru na kawai kekenhun kabadon haki thain sora kabahap hasila constituency kisur shirna.
Welcome each and every one of you, those who are in the dais and those who are in the other side of the hall. I would like to welcome and call upon Kong Bahun Marwen to present us before us the welcome song.
Bal lajit bal penskambiang ya ba met ba lendo kumu presiden rang ba jong kani ke parti ubade MLA jong kamairang constituency bal kunjuru ya general secretary Dr. Jibino Mautho walking president kentup ya ba Paul lendo MLA ke Mauprem ba Tita Starakhan MDC ke Suara ba Nurjurki Sungo ba Lakmen Rumbui ba Donbok Kendej Rikman Sangma LG Momen ba Rinik Don Kongkhar Vice President ba Alan Tree of the Car ba Shitlang Pale ba Meryl Bonds EM ki secretaries ki bakentup yau ba Laski Rembai ba Jambor War ba Balajit Rani Mitchell Wankar ba Winning Sungo ba Gigi Bung Snaitang Dr. Amanwar ba Tenwel Dekhar ba I ba Monak Shabong Joint Secretary ki bakentup ba Rengkat Lendam ba Sunshine Makri ba Anvil Lendo ba Tirot Singh Sushang Finance Secretary ba Michael War Joint Finance Secretary ba Markensai Kongwir Treasurer ba Beyond Star Kurba ba Women's Wing President Kong Priti Har Pongrup Secretary Kong Wanda Shisha Renja ba Nakaliang Youth Wings President ba Kermen Shila Secretary ba Balajit Kupar Sendram Farmers Wing ba Olan Singh Sun Secretary ba Sensha Lendo Thaba ba Joint Secretary ba Remington Pongrup Nakaliang presiden ba met ba lendo ulaong ba kadon ke jingkermen ke bakrau ba ke parti UDP kanang khain dang ni syakmat leng ba ke jing tailang ban sutu jingmut lang kawai kumu presiden rang ba jong kani ke parti ula ai kublai kit bokit wiang ya baro kinong kit kam kibat mai ba nang ni syakmat inang yai pen klan isu ya ke parti kanang ba kan long ke parti ke baklan
Jambor Pak Balajit Rani Pak Mitchell Wankar Pak Winning Sungo Pak Gigi Bung Dr. Amanwar Pak Monak Shabong Pak Tenwel Dekhar Joint Secretary Pak Rengkat Lendam Pak Sunshine Makri Pak Anbil Lendo
Pak Tirot Singh Sushant. Finance Secretary Pak Michael Wah, Pak Markel Sai Kumwil, Pak Bion Star Purba, Treasurer. Women's Wing, Kompreti K. Pumro, Secretary Kongwanda Sisha Ranjan. Youth Wing, Pak Kermen Sulat, Pak Balajir Sindram. But Chief Organizer the Youth Wing, Pak Eugene Son Lengdo. Pak Farmers Wing, Pak Olan Esun, Secretary Pak Senja Kuparoi Lengdo Kabak, Girls Secretary Pak Remington Puro. Last but not the least, Advisor Pak Biji Mumin.
ก็ว่าเป็นเช่นอยากให้ดูเป็นชาติใจเป็นเดียวกันใช่